Skip these 10 foods and you could miss out on the nutrients your brain needs to stay sharp. Today I'll show you 10 science-backed foods and habits that can support brain aging, sharpen focus, and help keep memory youthful. Research links poor quality diets with smaller hippocampal volume, the brain's memory center, which can show up as forgetfulness and slower thinking over time. But guess what? Here's the good news. You don't need a complicated diet. Just a handful of powerful foods to get you started. I'm Carolyn, and this is Repair Our Health. If you want natural, science-backed tips for clarity and glow, tap like and subscribe so you never miss a video. I will be going through my 10 favorite brain foods. I'll show you how to use them with simple swaps and options so you can keep your brain healthy and youthful no matter your taste. Let's start with one of the most powerful brain allies, turmeric. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, has improved memory and attention in clinical research and may influence BDNF, a protein that supports brain cells. Ever find your focus fading when you need to stay sharp? That's where turmeric helps, through anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. Whip up a golden turmeric smoothie with plant or dairy milk, banana, a pinch of turmeric, and black pepper for absorption, and a bit of honey or dates. Small habits, big brain benefits. Food number 2 is walnuts, an absolute memory powerhouse. They're packed with omega-3 ALA, polyphenols, protein, and vitamin E, which are nutrients linked to memory and healthy aging. A walnut-rich breakfast can deliver faster reaction times and sharper recall throughout the day. Just a handful at breakfast could help. Try walnut and oat muesli or a strawberry walnut smoothie. My third favorite brain treat, dark chocolate. Rich in flavonols, it supports cerebral blood flow and can lift mood and motivation. Need a pick-me-up without the crash? That's why I keep one square after lunch. Or sprinkle cacao nibs in a smoothie. It fuels focus and lifts mood. Here are some delicious ways to prep these brain foods quickly. First, golden turmeric smoothie. Milk, banana, turmeric, black pepper and honey. Second, walnut muesli, yogurt muesli and walnut bits. Third, strawberry walnut smoothie, strawberries, walnuts, dates and plant milk. These take just 2 to 5 minutes and really stack up those daily wins. Number 4, leafy greens for brain youth. One daily serving of spinach, kale, or collards has been linked to slower cognitive decline, roughly the equivalent of having a brain that's 11 years younger. Struggle to get greens in? Just fold a handful into eggs or blend into a morning smoothie, easy habits that really build brain resilience. At number 5, we've got salmon, your brain's building blocks. Salmon is packed with DHA and EPA, those omega-3 fatty acids that support neuron membranes, connectivity, and healthy blood flow while reducing inflammation. Don't eat fish? Try algae-based DHA or plant sources like chia and flax, though plant ALA doesn't convert as efficiently to DHA or EPA. Quick win, you could try salmon patties or a salmon avocado salad. Midday brain drain? Avocado's healthy fats improve blood flow, fueling steady clarity. It's honestly one of my favorite foods, rich in monounsaturated fats that deliver oxygen and nutrients to your brain. You can enjoy it on toast with seeds, add slices to a salad, or even drizzle olive oil as a swap. Small choices like these keep your focus steady throughout the day. Number 7, pumpkin seeds. Tiny but mighty magnesium, zinc, iron, and antioxidants for nerve signaling and mental steadiness. Feel your focus slip or brain fog settle? A handful of pumpkin seeds can fuel better memory and mental stability. No pumpkin seeds? Try sunflower or sesame seeds, also rich in minerals and healthy fats. Toast or sprinkle them on salads, yogurt or oats, or snack on them plain for a quick brain lift. Food number 8 is eggs, the brain's messenger. Egg yolks are a top source of choline, which is essential for creating acetylcholine, your brain's key neurotransmitter for memory and focus. Need help staying sharp and alert? Choline-rich foods like eggs fuel memory and neural communication. Eggs aren't an option. Try edamame or soy lecithin in your smoothie to keep choline levels up. Make a quick veggie frittata with eggs, leafy greens and seeds, or add a soft-boiled egg to your salad for a brain-nourishing boost. However you choose, you're giving your brain what it needs to stay alert. At number 9, green tea, your calm energy sip. Caffeine and L-theanine improve attention and accuracy without jitters and support long-term mental clarity. Need steady energy without the coffee crash? If tea isn't your thing, try rosemary or hibiscus tea for similar refreshment and focus support. You can sip green tea mid-morning or afternoon as a brain-balancing pick-me-up that won't spike your energy. Perfect for keeping focus smooth. When I need steady energy, green tea is my pick. I sip mid-morning to keep productivity smooth. It refreshes the mind and steadies your focus. And rounding out our list, blueberries, my favorite brain berries. Anthocyanins support memory and cell-to-cell communication and may slow cognitive aging. Want to preserve youthful brain function and memory? Berries are your delicious cognitive shield. Not into blueberries? Grapes, cherries, or plums offer similar antioxidant benefits. I keep frozen berries for smoothies, oats, and yogurt. You can blend frozen berries into your smoothie or mix them into oatmeal or yogurt for a sweet, memory-enhancing boost. You don't need all 10 at once. I start with one food a day, then layer in another each week. That's how small habits become lifelong routines. Consistency is the key. These foods don't just work once, they work over time. Step by step, you'll notice better recall, sharper focus, and steadier moods. So here's my breakfast most mornings: spinach, turmeric, berries, walnuts, and just a dash of cacao, all blended into a smoothie. It's quick, it's delicious, and honestly, I know I'm feeding my brain before the day even begins. Now, I'd love to know, if you had to start with just one of these foods, which would it be? Go ahead and drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And here's a little bonus brain hack water. Your brain is actually 75% water, and even mild dehydration can really fog your focus. I keep a glass nearby all day. It truly makes a difference. Think of every meal as an investment in your future self. The vibrant you, still laughing, still learning, still sharp decades from now. It starts today with one small choice. So what you eat matters, especially for your grey matter. Every meal can protect your brain and power your best self today. Which of these 10 brain foods do you already eat most often? Comment below. I'd love to see the favorites. If this video inspired you, please tap like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who cares about brain health. This video is for general wellness and education, not medical advice. Always check with your doctor before making changes to your diet. Coming up next, watch my video, Drink This Daily for Wrinkle-Free, Glowing Skin, Collagen Tea That Works. This daily ritual supports your brain health and keeps your skin radiant and youthful. Tap here to watch. You won't want to miss it. Every choice you make nourishes your brain, your body, and your beauty. Until next time, eat bright, think clear, and stay brilliant. Remember, every small choice today builds the sharp, glowing future you deserve. Your brain and your beauty start now.